Hey other guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start to screen video without having the further delay. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of 16 May 2025, and today is Friday. Basically, what is actually happening in my today's routine video, I'm gonna to share you. So let's start to screen video without having the further delay. So basically, today first of all, I wake up. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then after that, I studied. Then after that, I talked to my sister and my sister's husband. Right. So regarding some topics, so this is the kind of thing what has actually happened at the time of morning. So at around 5, right? At around 5 I went field, right, with my sister and nephew and niece. At around 5 with my sister and with my nephew and niece, we went to the field, right, and I played with them, just like this such kind of things what has actually happened. I played with them and I came home. Then after that, uh, I had taken the bath, and at the time of evening I went for the sleep. So at the time of evening, first I ate food, and after that I went for the sleep. So basically, guys, this is the thing what has actually happened in my today's video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kind of please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner. So yes, guys, this is the thing what has actually happened. Now I'm gonna to revise the subject company law and some learning purpose, and now I am just focusing on for learning purpose, right, to learn. Now, company. Company means a company incorporated under this act or under any previous company law, right? And foreign company. Foreign company means any company or body or corporate which has place of business is outside India, but place uh, foreign company means any company or body or corporate incorporated outside India which has a place of business in India, whether which has a place of business in India. Just a moment, guys. Which has a place of business in India, whether by itself or through an agent, physically or through electronically mode. Four terms: by itself, through an agent, IAPA, itself, agent, and physically and electronically. I just making this to just learn it a very perfect manner. I right. So IAPE, itself, agent, physically, electronically. Foreign company means a company or body. Foreign company means any company or body or corporate incorporated outside India which has a place of business in India, whether by itself or through an agent or physically or through electronically mode, and conducts any business activity in India in any other manner. And conducts any business activity in India in any other manner. And conducts in any other business in India in any other manner. And conducts in India in conducts any business activity in India in any other manner. So, foreign company means a company incorporated under this act or under any sorry, foreign company means any company incorporated outside India which has a place of business in India through uh, by an agent uh, or physically or electron or through electronic mode. by itself or through an agent physically or through electronic mode, and conducts a business activity in India in any other manner. So that is a foreign company. Again, foreign company means a company incorporated in India. Foreign company means a company. Foreign company means any company incorporated in India. Foreign company means any company or body or corporate incorporated in India which has a place of, sorry, let's again, I'm not focusing on my mind in one place. Basically I don't know what is actually happened. Foreign company means a company incorporated. Foreign company means any company or body or corporated incorporated outside to India which has a place of business in India by itself or through an agent or physically or through electronic mode, and conducts a business activity in India by any other manner. Okay, now it's correct. In India, in any other manner. In India, in any other manner. Conducts any business activity in India in any other manner, right? So yes, guys, this is the thing. What is actually is here, what I had discussed. Now, okay, let's again last time revising foreign company. Foreign company means any company or body or corporate uh, incorporated outside to India which has a place of business in India, whether itself or physically or is or through an agent or through an electronic mode, uh, which conducts a business activity in India by any other manner. In any other manner. Okay. Now body corporate. Right. Body corporate includes a company incorporated outside India. Body corporate includes a company incorporated outside India. Body corporate includes a company incorporated outside India, excludes cooperative societies, notified body corporate, LLP companies, SBFC inclusive. So by in body corporate I will discuss in detail later. Maybe. Right. So now this is all what is actually happened. Now just overview I just only want to give them. Types of companies based on number of members. Okay. Based on number of members, types of companies. One person company, private company and public company. Let's compare this from the book. Okay, page number 40 to 62. So here is as per my notes, here is 3 types: one person company, private company, public company. And as per the book there are 4 types: public company, private company, small company and one person company. The small company maybe I have written it here later, so I'll discuss it in detail down. So types of companies based on number of members, there are 4 kinds of member companies: public company, private company, small company, one person company. As per book, as per my notes, one person company, private company, public company, right? So I will discuss about this in detail into the upcoming videos. So yes guys, this is all the kinds of things what is actually happened today. So I think that this is all enough for today. So So I should end the video, guys. So yes, guys, let's end the video, guys. See you. Bye bye.